A horse crashes into a sign in Central Park. A person appears to fall out of the carriage, then another one jumps out while the horse keeps running. The video shared on social media only captured some of the incident Monday morning.
I was really scared and upset for the horse and for the animal, for the people too, because there were so many tourists and people around.
Danielle Chin says she was dangerously close to the chaos.
And I think it's truly so lucky that this time that stop sign was not a human.
According to NYClass, the incident started in the area of 68th Street and ended near Bethesda Fountain when it says the horse crashed into another parked carriage.
She's falling.
TWU Local 100 shop steward Christina Hansen says a veteran carriage driver and co-worker were training the new carriage horse, who apparently became upset by a garbage truck. She says they left the cab to calm her when she took off.
This was the loudest they'd ever heard a motor on a garbage truck, and that it's possible that the guy was so close that they may have even hit the carriage.
She says they're still trying to figure out exactly what happened, but the driver is shaken up.
He wants to file a report about the behavior of the garbage truck because he thought that was egregious behavior.
This is the horse here. Her name is Bambi. She's resting in her stall right now. The TWU says she wasn't hurt, but will have to be cleared by the health department before she can go back to work.
This runaway horse crash proves what's very obvious, that horse carriages are a public safety threat.
NYClass says this is the fourth horse to get loose in the park this year, referring to similar incidents in May. Last month, the Central Park Conservancy sent this letter to city leaders to formally express its opposition to the continued operation of horse-drawn carriages in Central Park. It's pushing for a rider's law, which would phase out the industry that's been in the city since the 19th century. Jenna DeAngelis, CBS News, New York.